Alright, let's see how we go from this to that. Stick around and stay tuned, and I'll show you how to put on the Machine Art Moto cylinder head protectors. Overall, not too bad. These kind of make the job a little worse, but not everybody has those. Anyway, stick around, stay tuned. I'll be back after this, and you can watch me struggle a little bit. Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Let's put these Machine Art Moto guards on the GSA here, and I think all my neighbors hate me because just like last time, I come out to do a job and film it and everybody decides it's time to start mowing. But anyway, after you inspect everything and get it unpackaged, the first thing you gotta do, take these instructions, throw them away. You don't need those. Nobody ever reads them. These are pretty heavy duty, I'll give them that. They seem like they're going to do their job. And if you look way down here, they are labeled right and left. So let's get started. Of course, the neighbors have either got to mow or get their chainsaw out anytime I'm out here working on the bike, but I learned from the other side, this is kind of going to be in the way when I put the guard on. So I got to readjust it a little bit. I will come back and Loctite these. Do not tighten any of these down till the very, very last step. Oh, this goes in at a weird angle. Alright, there you have it. That's a basic install of the Machine Art Moto cylinder head guards. I hope I never need to use them, but I'm sure I will. Hey, if you've got something out of this, please smash that thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.